Now that ChatGPT is back, I was able to get my questions again, even though I had saved them to a text file. It's a little on the unreliable early days part of for this tool. So whenever I type questions, I keep them in a text file. So here I went through continuity, and I have two threads, and I'm going to use them. I'm going to put them both in this video. I'm also going to type all the questions into the description for future use. So I was reading about the extreme value theorem. I asked it for a proof of it. It's pretty good. Then I asked for a proof of extreme value theorem using infimum and supremum. That was also helpful. Then I asked it for the sign preserving property. Gave me some good results. And again, I've worked this as I'm learning the material. What's the difference between continuity and uniform continuity? Very important distinction when I'm reading now, chapter 3 of Wade. And then I started another topic, and this was my continuity too. I didn't want to keep it in the same topic. I have no idea why at the time. So examples of sets for which the supremum is not an element of the set. Gave me examples. What's a monotone sequence? Gave me good examples also. What are examples of never continuous real functions? Here I'm having fun with a problem that I solved in Wade. I think I did. I'm going to say that I did. And it's a very interesting problem. And I tried to get it to do it, and in the end it wasn't. I asked it about the Weierstrass function, which I plan to add this into my notes. Then I was trying to get it to give me this little trick of this problem where what are two functions, each of which are never continuous. When you combine them, you get a continuous function. And a good example is f of x is the Dirichlet function, which is all the irrationals, and g of x is the irrationals. When you add all the rationals and the irrationals, you get the real numbers, and so you're going to get a continuous function out of that. I kept asking the same question in multiple ways, and I wasn't getting what I wanted. It just didn't do it. But then at the end, I just decided, well, how about I just type in how this problem is solved, and sure enough, it gave me the correct answer, which is that the resulting function is a constant function that is equal to 0 at any rational point. Oh, I'm sorry, is this the one? No, I'm sorry, this is the one. This is the final one. Finally, it gave me the resulting function is equal to 1 at any point of the real line. And so it did it correctly, but I had to tell it this is what the correct way of doing it is. So there you have it.